Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, the support on Toshi was very, very nice and overwhelming, right? A lot of you guys did say you want more coverage of this coin. So, every couple of days we will start covering the coin. If it's going to become one of those things like Turbo where we can, cover it every day, then we will. But we will see. At the moment, we'll just cover it every 2 to 3 days. Just because, I'm not sure if this is what people want. I know, obviously, when I created that Toshi video, like I said, a lot of people did want it, but it doesn't mean people want to see it every single day for its micro moves. Anyways, right? Enough yapping from me. Right? We can see big news came out on January 23rd. Toshi was live on Coinbase. It is pretty much what caused it to, a couple days later go upwards of almost a billion in terms of market cap. We do have some new news that did come out, right? They are pretty much now on Reddit, right? So this is good, right? This is what you want to see, expanding to as many platforms as possible, right? Expanding to as many platforms as possible. Reddit is a great place, in terms of having your community, being up to date with certain things, right? I think this is a fantastic move by them, right? And, obviously we are going to explore the Reddit right now. I'm not sure if I'm even signed in. I don't really use Reddit myself, but we can see, Reddit, Toshi Coin, we are already, at 4.4K members. So that is pretty good. That is what we like to see. We see Toshi spotted in the wild. So upvote if you bought the dip, right? I think everything here should be PG, so I'm not too scared of anything. Mood change. Let's see. I've seen some people this morning of people selling. I'm not going to start bashing people who feel like they need to sell. It's their money. They choose what they want to do with it. I will say bashing them does not represent the philosophy of Toshi and what we are trying to accomplish. Guys, you got to realize this. We're all going to sell eventually, right? I know people like the thing is like I'm going to sell every single coin I have when the time is right. I'm not married to no coin, right? Obviously, right now for me is not the optimal time to sell. Even if I did have something like Toshi, right? If I did have Toshi, and I was like, I bought it at 50 million market cap, and it, saw it go very, very high, and I could have got out at 800 million market cap for a quick flip because I knew it was going to dump. Yeah, I would have done a quick flip, right? But um, in terms of selling at these prices, for me these prices are not that compelling to be selling at because I believe Toshi will be pumping further up, which obviously we will discuss. But right, doing this one cause division group. If the person sells, do you want them talking highly to other coins about Toshi or bad? What? Anyways, anyways, person's English not good. But yeah, look, people are obviously going to be selling. Money is involved. People's emotions are very, very high. That is just the reality, right? That is just the reality. We can see people already memeing. So, you know, the rougher it gets, the better feeling. If people in doubt are leaving, it's your choice. Guys, like this is what I mean. I don't know why every community goes through this. It's literally every coin is suffering. Like people think, it's just their coin. It's really not, right? Obviously, there are certain exceptions where you just gotta realize that there is no future in a certain coin, like Chill Guy or Peanut and etc. But something like Toshi, I do believe it will do great, right? Um, what's everyone conviction why stay holding? Well, ladies and gentlemen, conviction. We're not gonna go through that, but yeah, we can see Reddit, right? A nice Reddit thing, forum, right? Highly recommend joining it if you are, you know, part of the Toshi community and you don't want to be reading other people's opinions and etc. At the minimum, I would say at least follow their Twitter because obviously that's where you're gonna get the biggest updates. While I think that's more community based, the Reddit. But yeah, so we can see that's very, very nice. There's no new big news other than the Reddit thing, which I think is really fantastic. In terms of the price, ladies and gentlemen, right? Where do I think Toshi can go? My bias is still the same. My bias is still the same, right? We can see this nice blue line at 300 million market cap. I know some people like to use the price, but for me, um, it's just annoying seeing all these zeros. So I'm gonna go stick to market cap, right? So for me, when we look at this, right, let's go into 3 days so we can zoom out a little bit more. We can see the price action has been fairly nice, right? We've pumped the 300 million market cap before. Then we have dipped back to roughly 30 million, right, to these bottoms over here. And then we were accumulating, and then we have pumped up. Now, I do think a bigger correction is going to happen, right? Because I still think Bitcoin's going to go down a couple thousand. Um, we have my Bitcoin dominance go against us a little bit too, so it might cause a double negative effect. So we could definitely lose, a decent amount. I don't know if we're going to drop the 45%, like I said, because that is a lot, but we will have to see, right? Right now, generally speaking, is a decent price to be getting in for sure, right? 300 million market cap is not a bad price because obviously you are buying off of the previous highs and you're buying off of the retest, and you're also buying at a time in the market where we should see nice recoveries over the next coming weeks. So 300 million market cap is not bad, right? I would personally try to be looking for sub 200, maybe a snipe, right? Wait, we are the snipers after all, so we do try to look for those premium prices, like something like Ondo or anything else. When it dipped, to 96 cents, 95 cents, I got in there, right? I got in at 96, 97 cents, right? That is the whole point of being a sniper, is being patient. You could get a decent price here, and then you could dollar cost average, roughly 200 million market cap. For your guys' sakes, I will go to the price, right? So literally right now, 0.0007, or, if it goes down maybe to 0.00046 or 0005 area, that could be nice and optimal, right? Remember, technical analysis is important, but on meme coins, it may be slightly less relevant, slightly because meme coins at the end of the day are really, it's up to the whales, it's up to the token to do what it has to do to uphold, the price, the people behind it, and of course to keep institutions in once we do hit big levels, right? I do believe, there may be some institutional play behind this. I would not be surprised. I'm sure I could go other top holders. Let's just see in the last 30 days. Damn, I don't. Does it not show the bot transaction? It just sell, right? In the last 30 days. So someone is selling. Someone is definitely selling pretty damn hard right now. I don't know if this is this is only showing the last 30 days. So this could have been bought by a whale before and it's just selling off now. Or this is some insider trading, which I wouldn't be able to confirm right now. Let's see. Let's see if this was going to work for us, right? For me, I don't think, obviously, there's always people going to be selling, right? Obviously, there's going to be people selling, but I don't think it's anything too crazy, right? I don't want to really dive into this too much, but yeah, we can see, there are people obviously taking profits. Taking profits is what feeds families and allows you to buy at the end of the day. So, but we can see, some people 115K bought, 86K bought, 54K bought. Did I see $1 million? Damn, 1.1 million worth bought, right? So damn, this person you can just see is just accumulating sideways. Oh Lord. So we can see someone just going up and down, up and down. This type of trading is not my style. I rather just buy the dip and just hold and just sell higher up, to be honest, than this little up and down. But yeah, this is the price overall where we want to dive. This is the Twitter page, right? This is their official Twitter page. Highly recommend joining. If you want to join the Reddit community, you are more than welcome to. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen, right? That is it. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.